exhibit hall of NCCE.
Oh, okay.
So exciting. A little Friday morning light here. Today we're talking with Dave McCollum from Techsmith, and he's going to walk us through one of their new tools, Ask3, which focuses on leveraging mobile technology and getting students to the point where they're interacting with videos. So it's not just about making videos that students can watch, it's about giving them a way to interact with, ask questions, and respond. Hi, Dave.
Hi, Sam. Thanks, and that's a great introduction to the app. So would you like me to just jump right into it?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, so I should mention that Ask3 is right now available in the App Store, iPad app. It's kind of in sort of a beta phase for us. Now, you can't really do a beta, put it out there in the App Store, but where we're at right now is really trying to gather customer feedback and see what educators think would be the best uses for this, because I think we've already seen a lot of things that we never really expected. So jump right into the app. Like I said, it's called Ask3. It's right here, and it's a free app, I should mention. And we'll start from the main page. You have a couple options. Create.
So here we are in bulletin board.
Yep, so a bulletin board is where if a teacher or student has created a video, they'll show up on this list. So let's say I'm a student and this is a video my teacher's created. I'm going to jump in. I'll watch the video, see it playing back here, and I think this is a math problem. So we've got 5x plus 2 equals 10. Or actually equals 12. So let's go back here. And so let's say I'm about to start working out the problem, or I really don't know where to start. So as a student, before, if you think of kind of a traditional model, maybe I'm watching this video on YouTube, maybe they'll throw a comment in, but it's very, a lot of the videos right now are very one-sided. And so now as a student, I have the opportunity to jump in and say, maybe start solving this problem. So by tapping down here, it'll actually take me into the creation interface, and I can start creating my own video. And so I can hit record, and now I'm jumping right here, and I might say, all right, well, the first thing we want to do, well, I want to change my color here because I'm in the same color, so I'm going to pick a red pen here, and I know we need to isolate the variable here. So let's get rid of 2 from this side, and get rid of 2 from this side, and so that gives us 5x equals 10. And I don't know what to do now, though, so click stop, and upload my video. And now that video pops up in the timeline, so the next student will see, they'll be watching the video and they'll see this, and they can tap on that, jump in, watch my video, and they might be able to solve the problem for their. Or one of the more likely scenarios is, somewhere along the way, students are going to get stuck, and they're going to have an opportunity where, if you think of the old kind of traditional homework model, they're at home, they don't have anyone to help them out, they have an opportunity to jump in and say, like right here, this is what I don't get, can you help me with this problem right here? And both the teacher and the student have the opportunity to jump in and interject, and really building a conversation around the problem. And that's what we're really excited about with Ask3, is this conversation that can happen that never would have outside of the classroom.
I think that supported conversation in Ask3 and other situations like that is really important. As from the teacher's perspective, when they look in at their class, is it easy for them to see who's watched the video, who's created their own video, who's commented on others' videos? Is that kind of information available?
In the current version right now, we don't have any specific analytics other than each students do have their own identity. And if we go into the class here, I think this one just has me and maybe one other person. Looks like it's just me, but there would be a list of all the students. So if they at any point they commented or created their own video, the teacher would be able to see that along with everyone else.
So you said this is kind of in the early stages. You don't really have a beta. You just put it out there on the iTunes store and see what people are doing. What are you hearing about it? What are the wins that people are achieving with Ask3 so far?
One thing that we kind of surprised us that we kind of overlooked was just the power to have the automated delivery of the video, to where when a video was created, the students didn't really have to, all they had to do was go into the app and they would just be there waiting for them. So that was one thing we thought was simple and has been really exciting. The other one is just kind of those aha moments when you have a teacher said a student came, mentioned exactly what we talked about earlier. I was at home and I was struggling. I was able to jump in and ask a question, and someone answered it before the classroom the next day, so they're able to move on with their problem set and really have more of a engaging peer environment to their homework, whether it's in the classroom or out.
that engaging peer environment. I think those are keywords that just make me tingle, right? Like that's really kind of what we're all going after is student engagement, and the possibility that we can use these Web 2.0 tools and these creation tools, these tools of authorship, to empower students to help each other and ask their own questions and really take more control over their learning. That's I think a lot of what the future of flipped teaching is about.
Yeah, absolutely. And another one actually you just reminded me is again, we started that one from a teacher posing the problem, but I think there's a lot of opportunity for students to for assessment, and students really demonstrating that they understand a concept by making their own videos within the app.
Great, thank you. That's Dave McCollum from Techsmith. If you're looking for great tools to help you on your flipped teaching journey, check them out. They've got a wide menu.